Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make big text in Discord. As you can see on your screen right now, I have a smaller text in Discord message. Now, the first solution here is go to the Microsoft Store and try to download the Discord because this app is more stable when downloaded from Microsoft Store. So let's click the start menu icon and click this Microsoft Store. And then right here on the homepage, go to the search box at the top and type right here Discord. And here, as you can see the install button, you need to click this one until the Discord is downloaded on your computer. Now the second solution is by using some browser. So the first website is lingojam.com. And right here, you just put a normal text right here. So for example, I want to put hi. And then all you need to do is copy this one. Then go back to Discord message and paste that message here. So as you can see, the letter now is much more bigger. So again, I want to put hello. And again, copy this one. And then go back to your Discord message and try to paste right here. So as you can see, it has more bigger and bold message. Now the second website is appsymbols.com. So it is very easy to use. You just write here your text or your message. For example, I will put hi. And the difference here is you have an options right here. So you can choose what letter or style you want to put on. For example, I want this letter right here. So I want to copy that one, go back to Discord message and just paste right here. So it's very simple. As you can see on your screen, it is much more bigger text in Discord message. So that's it. That's how you basically make big text in Discord. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on our next video.